Alright guys, we're gonna try out the Wendy's Frosty cereal. I'm super excited about this. I look like crap. I'm cleaning the house. I have 2 videos to edit. I've got an order thing to make too. Alright, we got the bag open. That's what I do with my bowl. There it is. Alright, so I think they said there's marshmallows in this too. Let's go ahead and stir it up a little bit. It tastes like Cocoa Pebbles. No, it don't. No, it don't. It's better than Cocoa Pebbles. I think it's pretty good. And you get a free frosty too. Oh, and a small, but and a small nowadays is like small. It's like that size. It's small. Go buy it. It's good.